Hello, amazings. This past weekend, we went on a awesome hike. I so love nature. We lived in nature, not really in nature, but we lived in nature on a mountain. We had a house. We had a huge piece of property, and we lived there for 5 years. Oh my gosh. We lived on this big hill, and it was so steep. And we I would walk it like all the time. It was so amazing. We went for our first nature hike this year on Saturday, and it was amazing. I'll share some photos of our beautiful, wonderful time we had. Do you like nature? Do you get out in nature? Beautiful. You should get out there, have some fun. Yep, he's your bruh. Can you put him in front of you?
Ooh, this is also pretty.